Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to unlock the KV inhibitor gun in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. And let's get started. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to go over to the weapons tab at the top. You're going to select X, go to any one of your loadouts, click gunsmith or square, or not gunsmith, so you're going to click on X, you're going to click edit, and then you're going to go to the marksman rifles, or sorry, sniper rifles, and then you should see KV inhibitor right here. There should be like a fire emblem, like that means it's recommended. And in order to unlock it, you have to click square on your controller, or where it says activate armor unlock, and you have to click, I think, L3 to see if it's unlocked, or R3. Forgot which one it was. Just make sure. I forgot which button. Okay, triangle. Sorry, you have to click triangle now, and then you will see that the thing is activated right here, and it says I have to complete 3 daily challenges, and you can find the daily challenges here. And you also winning a game like search and destroy or free for all or team deathmatch, that also does count as a way, like that also counts as one daily challenge. And yeah, that is basically how to unlock the gun. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.